Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use NTP, how to configure NTP on a router, and then how to configure NTP on a switch so that it can get the time from that router. So NTP is the network time protocol, and all it is that it's a server that hands out the time. That's all it is. So let's do some configuration. So we're going to turn this router into an NTP server. So let's log into the router. And let's just do a show clock just to see where we're at. So we do a show clock, and the year and the date are always going to be wrong. But what we want to do is we want to fix the time. So the time is incorrect. I'm in the East Coast. I'm in Rhode Island. So let's configure NTP on the router. So enable conft clock time zone. And then the next thing we put in is the name of the NTP server. So we're just going to put in RI for Rhode Island. And then we're going to put in -4. So -4, if you were to Google your time zone, there'll be this little thing next to your time that says -2, -4, -5. That's what this is. So just putting in -4. So -4. Let's do a show clock again. And there we go, it's fixed. So we're running in Rhode Island time now, East Coast time. So let's configure the Ntp client. So enable conft NTP server. And then this IP address we're putting in is the ISP's IP address. So as you can see up here, I have it highlighted, ISP at 10.1.1.1. And then we can exit out of that. So let's take a look at that. So show NTP associations. And as you can see, we have our address, 10.1.1.1. The stratum, which is like the pecking order of the servers. So stratum 0 is the primary server. It's the most accurate server. So we're 16 servers away. We're 16 servers or routers away from the stratum 0. So that's all that is. So so let's make the router the NTP master. So enable conft NTP master, and then we could put in a number between 1 and 15. This is the stratum. We could put in any number we want. So I'm just going to put in 3. NTP master 3. So now the router is the NTP master. So let's go to the switch and configure the switch to get its IP address from the router. So here we are on the switch. Enable conft NTP server. And now we're going to put in the IP address of the router. So 192, this one right here, gigabit 001. 192.168.1.1, and then clock time zone. Now we're going to put in the name of the NTP. Remember the name we used before, Rhode Island, RI, so we're going to put in RI again, and then we're going to go -4. So let's go show NTP associations, and as you can see, there's our address of the router that we're going to get our NTP from, our time from, and then our stratum still is 16, and that's it. And that's all there is to NTP, folks. So thank you.